Throttle cable broke. Yay. Okay, pretty crappy news. I was running the Scl1000 and I go to throttle up and it didn't. It broke. The throttle cable just snapped on me. So I just ordered one right now. It's $110 plus shipping. So the throttle cable here, nothing. So to open this, you just pull under here and then push it back in. And then underneath here, you press down on this and then you press up on the little lever right here. So usually uses two hands, but there's the throttle cable and it's broken. And it goes down. It goes down through there. There's the cable. And it runs all the way through to that point. And then there's like a little rubber grommet spring looking thing on there, hooking through to the throttle. So I just ordered that. Could have made something a little stronger, because now I got to drive it super low mode to get all the way back to where I need to be. All right, so I ordered the part, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this cable, throttle cable, from something else. So I'm gonna hook it to somewhere so I can use this, because I can't wait a week till I'm able to use this thing. I've got attachments to move, junk to clean up. I use this for everything, so gotta make it work somehow. Okay, so since what I was planning on doing is not gonna work, these throttle cables, it's too hard to get in there to make all that work. So I ran a coat hanger from down there all the way to here, and I will just have to throttle up and then bend it around this till I can get that fixed. That's what I gotta do to use it.